Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Our today's grammar is about reciprocal pronouns. Okay, so what are reciprocal pronouns? Pronouns replace the nouns in order to remove the repetitions. Reciprocal pronouns. What kind of pronouns are called reciprocal pronouns? Okay, the meaning of reciprocal is done in return. This is the meaning of reciprocal. It means when you perform an action, in return of that, the same action is performed by another person. That's called reciprocal. Any activity which is done from both sides or from many sides in the same time, that's called reciprocal action. So I have brought a definition here. Two or more people performing same action. Two or more people, they are performing the same action with both receiving the benefit and outcome. Both of them will receive the outcome and benefit of that action. That activity, for that activity we use reciprocal pronouns. Okay, so there are only two reciprocal pronouns. Among the pronouns we have two reciprocal pronouns. One is each other and the next one is one another. Now each other is used for two persons. When there two persons are performing an activity, we use each other. Okay, if it is more than two persons, then we use one another. Okay, so there are some examples that I have written already. Number one is they gave gift to each other. Two persons are involved there. Okay, they gave gift to each other. Okay, John and Han. Okay, John and Han blamed each other. Both of them are doing the same action. Okay, they are blaming each other. Okay, the cows were beating each other. Cows, it means if we use each other, then it means there are two objects, two person or two animals are there. Okay, so the cows were beating each other too. Okay, the next one, the players were fighting with one another. It means more than two persons are performing the same activity. Okay, the students are shouting on one another. The students are shouting on one another. So this is these are the examples of reciprocal pronouns. Once again, I should say reciprocal pronouns when two or more people are performing the same action, and the outcome or the benefit of them will be on all of them or on both of them. So in that case we use reciprocal pronouns. So there are only two reciprocal pronouns. One is each other, the next one is one another. Each other is used for two persons. One another, if it is more than two persons performing the same action, then we use one another. So these are the reciprocal pronouns. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any kind of confusion or any question, you have to comment in the comment section. Thumbs up, share my video, to subscribe my channel also. Have a nice time.